Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty with insight, honesty, and a touch of glamour. Today, we're taking a close look at the Estée Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Matte Lipstick in the shade 420 Rebellious Rose. This is a matte lipstick designed to deliver a plumping, nourishing effect while offering rich, long-lasting color for all skin types. From the moment I opened the sleek, gold-accented tube, I noticed the precision of the stick. It's crafted to glide easily across the lips without tugging, which is always a win for me. The formula combines deep pigmentation with hydrating ingredients, aiming to provide a comfortable matte finish that doesn't dry out your lips. The shade, Rebellious Rose, is a beautiful mid-tone rose with neutral undertones, perfect for both everyday wear and more polished evening looks. Applying it for the first time, I appreciated how smooth it felt. The lipstick didn't feel heavy or cakey, which can sometimes happen with long-wear matte formulas. I wore it throughout my morning routine, and even after a cup of coffee, the color remained vibrant with minimal fading. The lips felt nourished, which is key for a matte lipstick, since dryness is usually the biggest drawback. Over several days of use, I also noticed that it didn't settle into fine lines, a subtle but important detail for longevity and comfort. Now, let's talk about the strengths. The pigmentation is impressive. A single swipe gives full coverage, and the matte finish is soft rather than flat, giving your lips a natural richness. It's comfortable enough for daily wear, and the neutral rose tone is flattering on a variety of skin tones. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end, and while it's long-lasting, it's not completely transfer-proof, so you may need a touch-up after a heavy meal. In terms of value, this lipstick justifies its cost if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality formula with a flattering shade that works for many occasions. Compared to other high-end matte lipsticks, it holds up well in terms of comfort and staying power. While there are more budget-friendly matte options on the market, few combine pigmentation, smooth application, and nourishing ingredients in one formula, quite like this. The packaging feels luxurious and sturdy, with a magnetic cap that keeps the lipstick secure. The formula itself has maintained its quality over time, and given Estée Lauder's reputation, customer support is known to be responsive if any issues arise. If you're curious about alternatives, brands like MAC or Lancôme offer comparable shades at similar or slightly lower prices, but I found the plumping and nourishing aspect of this Estée Lauder lipstick gives it an edge in terms of comfort during long wear. Overall, the Estée Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Matte Lipstick in 420 Rebellious Rose hits a sweet spot for those who want a durable, beautifully pigmented matte that doesn't compromise on comfort. It's well-suited for anyone seeking an everyday matte with a touch of sophistication, and it truly lives up to its plumping and nourishing claims. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this lipstick in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.